Hello guys, welcome to MzGee. This is your girl next door if you're right. Took a little bit of hiatus. I feel my landing. Na sena mu me papa busy kwa. Anyway, and yaba na so de na yaba. Mu ye say na say celebrity news and day bremo what is going on in our celebrities' lives, the milestone, the strides that they keep making, you know, their achievements, what they want us to know, what is going on behind us, and the ones that come to limelight. Anyway, today's episode we're talking about the battle of viewership. That is Nanama McBrown's new show on Onia TV, and then MzGee's also show on United Showbiz. Assembly now they say these two ladies are very, very prominent, elegant, outspoken, lively, you know, very like filled with passion, burning passion to do journalism to the best of each of their abilities. So Nanama McBrown has been the face of United Showbiz since the trajectory of that show, which was in 2020. Nanama McBrown hosted that show from that time all the way to, I believe, somewhere last year, November, when we saw that Nanama McBrown only the biase show no I say on kaho as we nimu on hosubio when now when the tiho china when the tiho. However, her photo kept popping up on the flyers here and there. Until that left room for speculations whether Nanama is fired, has she resigned, or has she been let go. We didn't know. But anyway, she appeared on video explaining that she has undergone some medical procedures in Germany. Fast forward, next year, Nanama McBrown came full vim with body. You can say body ni bibia sheshe ni ane ho ni nyina enne ye hu from agumu and the who say to say yes wan kasa wako body enhancement the body ni so enhance ye. I mean body, I'm not against body enhancement in a sense that we are all a walking brand, regardless of who you are. Whether whether you're doing something on social media or in your local church or in your local communities, whatever you're doing, even the day you are born, you are a walking or a living brand. Until you need to polish your brand the way that you want your brand to be represented, right? Or to represent you. Therefore, you try your very best to polish wabrabono. Say ye beya dachi edu besi ye na also ubenya ye die anabebwa. Sanity until we are all a working brand. And sometimes I don't pempens will be a nyatin kani ye ya. Nasa Obaka say, you know what? I feel say me baby ha edi minya me konma ko twitwa. Because against body enhancement, I really don't get them. I don't know when most of them make makeup, wash eyelashes, what's a cake one lipstick now whatever. I don't get those people. Oh sorry, and Cabre, you know for tabrabasa na fananti. I don't know push up brana, they push you no for yabasro. You're enhancing that body. So what you say? You're enhancing it. You're enhancing it not permanently. They just go and get permanent body enhancement. Now say no ababe brain you if I could see him. What I'm against is what the one that you don't go to a professional to get that done. And only dear. And so be brain more complications, infections. So you see unya sika no as dia call surgery what doctor papa. Certified doctor and then Yamuko Spain, no Yamuko Brazil, no man, Yamin my nutrition, no so need binum aqua box no Debbie. Ghana good doctors for Mumra America, Mumra Canada. So what you say? Mumra Meye, certified doctors. No saying we coco yebi, but when you customer so the Maka years do. Anyway, so Nanama McBrown acquire the body our buy, which means say yes, or banning your new confidence. Or not on confidence that. But this confidence surpass confidence. That's what you're saying. Hey, Ghana 43 you almost see your pie. Aha! What time who ni? Aye! Everyone no more time a race. Beginning of that the time was when she married Maxwell. Then I'm home man cry and I find to see him.
Oh McBrown says ukuni a wanyi cheni. Aha, sabi obi tia. And you need to attend about 20 years.
When people found out who Maxwell really is, no, hey, now McBrown is probably a gold digger, fine, you could see, blah, blah, and just say, Ghana for and a bulldog card, I don't know, or see, you are evil. And you're gonna phone Kunipa Bibini, a evil or evil mind. I'm telling you, hey. Kakrabi na be yoma free asasi so omuni evil mind de bia na chese o twia wono wanya no me na menyu me de there be o share so we for sa no hwe sa my sister so what you say na my bra ko ye ni body enhancement by no tiny crowd also and na say or china say if I go see he and now kise e dent na wo tiny so wo nya ko wo nya sem biara en kanchero. What you say? She's running the newfound confidence. Anyway, okay, anybody, we no buy United Showbiz. No be host to Nadia. March of this year, just a couple of months ago, Nana McBrown was resigned. Hey, everyone is saying I resigned from despite media. Father Dixon pa also resigned from Sashuno. Sisia, if you any Ben and Sakra Unia TV, John. Na kasani ni nyamu time or call na MzGee. And MzGee so has been in the industry for quite a long time, since 2005. She was previously with Media General, and then I don't know at what point did she branch off to UTV. Nana McBrown, she was actually filling in for her when Nana McBrown resigned from United Showbiz, went to Onia Television. Yes, why the version and I were hand we say you can go to MzGee. MzGee so also your oga la sisi oga wa on didn't even papa but also see oga me feeling the pa say and see maba where you be any show say you find Nana McBrown starting it the first debut. That show no lasted 5 hours apparently, with so many red carpets, with with the cake Captain Smart and no train with Nikoni and my surprised, and indeed she was very surprised, and it was beautiful and amazing to watch. That show blew up live TV and instantaneously gained 10,000 viewership live stream. And when you remember any live stream, you will one yes, 10,000 viewership. Hey, na Ghana for yes, Nana McBrown is the queen. Nana is the queen of late night show. Yes, Nana no say hey Ghana for me. You say ya near job, but people say po fine. Going on. Nana McBrown debuted on April 30th. April 30th, like I said, the next day, May 1st, which is Ghana, a holiday, right? But April 30th, what goes on in Ghana? Not much. But still, she was able to harness that 10,000 viewership for the first show. Fast forward May 6th, which is the night of the VGMA, the Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. That's when MzGee also did her show. That day, a lot of people obviously will be glued onto the internet and onto their TVs. So whoever basically does any show, whether it's before or shortly after, is guaranteed the viewership because they're already there. The VGMA is bringing them there. So if you're going to take MzGee's show on that day to compare the viewership with Nana McBrown's on April 30th, that nothing was going on much in Ghana, I feel like you're not being fair to Nana. But anyway, let's talk about this. MzGee started hers and was, by the end of the night, gained 26,000 viewership, live stream viewership. That was massive. And no Ghana for, hey, MzGee, MzGee, Nana McBrown, MzGee, Nana McBrown, share MzGee, chase yes, one wakasa no ye galaxies, hey. And Baba always say I'm going to Ghana for say, but you to party at Monaso. Aw, munya happy mamu crofo, munya happy mamu wakasa mo. And listen, so if like unless you are happy with yourself, you can never be happy for somebody else. And you say, what's a computer no? Wakasa would them when I say, oh, jealousy bia. So a brabo when I say, am I happy inwardly? when you're happy inwardly, you can never be happy for somebody else. And a bulldog kind was it gonna for you evil. More yes, I had to chin to about my immune to almost some podcast almost being to Kabi. Now, my device can crack me, MzGee, said, Nana McBrown has always been our sweetheart. So, see, thanks Nana McBrown, Tina Kuma Wood, yes, solidified our Ghana. I'm telling you, whatever she does resonates with all of us. We share common vision. She was a household name. So, no one's so fit, not dressing mainstream dressing, but yet. Na okatwi nana ma o sinema ba no be brave and nana ma ka ho nana ma number 1 plays a pivotal role in the acceptance of the Ghana native languages. Ne obi asori o jam bia na so o kan twi kra na o kan with vim ne television yesu so na nan wo radio na tete esro honum bi no what say o kan ayi twi a obi empo no potie wa yi 3 o'clock news na jana wakatwi no makadagati ni da gomba ne crying ade obi en hon mutiem rewe ya peniti sa show no es na ma ebe ye beku santana musomo no and never hwe a lot of avenue for people. Tree shows away you hwe tree shows away it gains a lot of traction. It doesn't mean someone to make up from but tree you can express yourself well. Tree so it travels far and wide. So see, tree and waka, and cry and waka, ayigba and waka, it travels a lot. The gati need everything. So see, mama enjoy home. Anyway, battle of viewership 5 because in 10,000, 20,000 viewership. Nana McBrown. Not the history behind Nana McBrown. Nana McBrown started when 2001. Or 30 years, or be a big time. Oh, Kumasi Yonko, and you're sorry, ba, boy. A free horn moon, giddy. Miss V started year 2005. Almost started year. Just not far from Nana McBrown. They're all equally good. Nana McBrown has really proven herself. MzGee is coming. MzGee, no some wouldn't compare other people or wouldn't compete with other people. No non drain home. Na mumien kaboom, ni promote to each other. Nenune here. Thank you so much for joining me. More of them coming your way. Tune in again to Gatsby GH.